Welcome back, Fremont third graders. Today we are going to be talking about measuring mass. Yesterday, if you remember, we talked about measuring volume, in which we use liters and milliliters. Today we're measuring mass, so we're measuring with grams and kilograms. And grams are usually used for something weighing small objects. For example, this is a 1 gram weight from our science kit. So that would be like using our centimeter cubes in our class. Then we have kilograms, which are for weighing large objects. So in this bag, you can see it is quite full, and this is about 1,000 of these put together. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So we're going to go into our SAB books to page 387, and we're going to decide whether we're going to use grams or kilograms to measure something. So I did bring some of the objects down, but I don't have all of them because I couldn't carry my couch, because my couch is very heavy. So just thinking about that, if it's something very heavy, would I use grams or kilograms to weigh that? I would say I'm going to use kilograms only because it would take so many of these to weigh my couch. So I'm just going to write kilograms on my line. So our second one would be if you were weighing a hummingbird. Now this is not a hummingbird, but it's a very small object. It's as close as I have here in my house. I would use grams because it's a small object. And again, we're weighing small objects, we use grams. So for hummingbird, I would say I would measure with grams. Large object, kilograms. Small object, grams. So thinking about that, my glasses. If I tried to weigh my glasses, would it be 60 grams or 6 kilograms? I know my glasses don't weigh much. So I would think it's going to be the small number. But we have to remember that 6 kilograms is the same as saying 6,000 grams. If my glasses weighed 6,000 grams, they would probably weigh me down and I wouldn't be able to walk. So I would say my glasses are closer to 60 grams. I did not have a watermelon, but think about it. If I carried a watermelon, I'd be walking like this. So would my watermelon weigh 800 grams or 8 kilograms? Think about that. Oh, look, I see a big number. But again, we have to remember that this is actually like it's saying 8,000 grams. So I know that 8,000 is bigger than 800, so I'm going to circle my 8 kilograms, I'm sorry. A bag of oranges. I do have a bag of oranges. It's pretty heavy. There's a lot of oranges in there. So I'm thinking, will I measure with grams or kilograms? I know that this is pretty heavy, so I know I'm going to look at my kilograms first. I see this has 2, but this again, like our 6 and our 8, this is really like saying that it's 2,000 grams. I would say that bag of oranges is definitely not weighing the same as 20 centimeter cubes. It's going to be closer to 2 kilograms. I also brought an apple down. My apple's pretty light. It's a small apple. Would that weigh 180 grams or 18 kilograms? I know that 18 is smaller than 180, but we need to think again. It's 1,000 grams for every kilogram. So this would actually be saying 18,000 grams. I don't think I could eat an apple that was like 18,000 of our centimeter cubes. So it will be 180 grams. What I would like you to do now is turn to page 390 and you're going to complete using grams or kilograms to solve that page.